The bank building on the corner of your street looks solid. It's made of stone, glass, and steel. It feels permanent, but inside, it's running on technology from the 1970s. While you've been watching ChatGPT evolve, the global financial system has been rotting from the inside. Every time you send money, it takes days to settle. Why? Because a dozen middlemen need to take a cut and verify who you are. In a world of instant information, our money is still traveling by horse and carriage. But 2026 marked the beginning of the end. We are witnessing the Great Convergence. On one side, artificial intelligence, the ultimate brain. On the other, blockchain, the ultimate truth. Together, they are creating a financial system that doesn't need banks, doesn't need borders, and most importantly, doesn't need human permission. Welcome back to FutureLens. Today, we're looking at why the banking industry as we know it is about to vanish. Here is a secret that Wall Street doesn't want you to understand. AI agents cannot use bank accounts. Think about it. If you build an autonomous AI agent to manage your travel, buy supplies, or trade stocks, that AI cannot walk into a bank and show an ID. It cannot wait 3 to 5 business days for a wire transfer to clear. Traditional banking is too slow, too bureaucratic, and too human for an AI. Crypto is different. To an AI, a Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet is just code. It's a programmable vault. For the first time in history, we have machine-native money. By 2027, we will see the rise of the Agentic Economy. Thousands of AI agents will be working for us, but they will be paying each other in microfractions of crypto, settling transactions in milliseconds, 24/7. No bankers, no lunch breaks, no insufficient funds errors. The bank isn't just being replaced, it's being bypassed entirely. Why do banks exist? Historically, they were trusted third parties. You trusted them to hold your money and verify that the person you're paying is real. Blockchain replaces trust with math. Smart contracts are self-executing pieces of code. If I hire an AI to design a house, the smart contract holds the payment. The second the AI delivers the file, the code verifies it and releases the funds. Instantly. No escrow, no lawyers, no bank fees. We are moving from "don't be evil," the old Google motto, to "can't be evil." The code literally won't let the bank freeze your account or the government print away your savings. In the eyes of an AI, a bank is just a slow, expensive, and unreliable database. And in 2026, we don't need slow databases anymore. As one of our subscribers, at VideoHut4445 recently pointed out, crypto will eventually replace fiat money. But it's more than just a currency swap, it's a power swap. In the old system, you don't own your money. The bank owes it to you. They can lend it out, lose it, or block you from accessing it. In the AI crypto era, you become your own central bank. With decentralized finance, DeFi, your AI assistant can lend out your digital assets to earn interest, trade them for better performing tokens, or hedge against inflation, all while you sleep. You have the same tools that a Goldman Sachs trader has, but they are built into your phone and managed by an algorithm that works only for you. The fiat world is built on debt and inflation. The AI crypto world is built on code and transparency. Which one do you think survives the 21st century? This brings us back to the labor shock. If machines are doing the work and machines are using crypto, what happens to the human worker? Universal basic income will likely be distributed via blockchain. Imagine a smart dollar that is programmed to be only spent on food, education, or housing, or money that expires if it isn't used to keep the economy moving. This is the double-edged sword of the new banking system. It offers total freedom from banks, but it also gives the system total visibility into how money flows. We are trading the old dusty vaults for a transparent digital ocean. We are free from the banker, but we are now permanently connected to the network. Traditional banks are trying to catch up. They are launching digital currencies, CBDCs, to stay relevant. But it's like putting a jet engine on a horse. The foundation is broken. The future belongs to the decentralized, the autonomous, and the fast. If you're still waiting for your bank to verify your life, you're already living in the past. What do you think? Will banks exist in 10 years, or will they be museums of a slower time? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Special thanks to our community for the insights in the last video. You are the ones building this future with us. Subscribe to FutureLens. The banks are closing. The network is opening.